Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty, makeup, and beyond. Today, we're reviewing the Mehron Makeup CreamBlend Stick in white, a powerhouse product that claims to deliver professional-grade results in body and face paint, foundation, and more. If you're looking for a high-performing makeup stick, especially for intense events like Halloween, cosplay, or stage performances, this might be exactly what you need. The CreamBlend Stick is packed with superior pigments that promise vibrant color payoff. With its cream-based formula, it's designed for smooth application without that greasy, heavy feeling you often get with similar products. One of the standout features of this stick is its blendability. It glides on seamlessly and can be built up to your desired level of intensity, whether you're creating subtle contouring or full-body art. What's more, it holds up under pressure, whether it's hot stage lights or a full day at Comic-Con. In my experience using the CreamBlend Stick, it was incredibly easy to work with. From the moment it touched my skin, the creamy texture made blending effortless, leaving no harsh lines or patchy spots. It doesn't just feel good to apply, it looks good too. The added vitamin E and aloe vera provide an extra layer of nourishment, meaning your skin won't feel dried out after hours of wear. That's something many cream-based makeups often fail to deliver, but Mehron nailed it here. Now, in terms of performance, the CreamBlend Stick is versatile. I tested it for Halloween makeup and stage-worthy face paint looks. Not only did the colors stay vibrant, but they also stayed put. There was no flaking or fading, and even under bright, warm lights, the makeup didn't melt away. That's a massive win for anyone performing or attending events where you need your makeup to stay flawless for hours. As for the pros and cons, there's a lot to love. The strong pigment, long-lasting wear, and skin-nourishing formula make this a product worth having in your kit. However, I did find that if you're in a rush, blending might take a little extra effort to get it perfect. Also, the price point, while justified for professionals, might be on the higher end for casual users looking for a one-time Halloween purchase. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with all things Beautyistic. Your support allows us to bring you more honest reviews and help others discover great products just like this one. Now, comparing it with similar products, Mehron's CreamBlend Stick outshines many other face and body paints on the market. While there are cheaper alternatives like basic drugstore cream paints, those often lack the buildable quality and skin-friendly ingredients that Mehron provides. You're paying for premium quality, and in this case, it's worth the investment if you need long-lasting, professional-grade results. In terms of value for money, the Mehron CreamBlend Stick offers good return on investment for both professionals and serious enthusiasts. It's not just about the color payoff, it's about how this product cares for your skin while you wear it. The formula is lightweight yet effective, and you can rely on it for everything from Halloween looks to high-pressure stage performances. The build quality is another factor to consider. The stick itself is sturdy and well-designed, making it easy to apply directly to the skin without feeling flimsy. This is particularly important for makeup artists who need reliable tools for quick application during performances or shoots. User-friendliness is definitely a plus with this product. Even if you're a beginner, the stick format is intuitive and doesn't require special brushes or tools. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, whether you're just trying it out for a party or using it for professional-grade stage makeup. When it comes to customer support, Mehron's reputation for quality extends to their service. They've been in the industry for over 95 years, trusted by professionals across Hollywood and Broadway. Their dedication to maintaining high standards in their products and customer interactions is evident, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In real-world testing, I wore the CreamBlend Stick for an outdoor event lasting several hours, and the makeup held up impressively well. It didn't smudge or fade, even after sweating under stage lights. This kind of resilience makes it a top choice for anyone needing a reliable and long-wearing product. In conclusion, the Mehron CreamBlend Stick is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a professional-grade cream makeup with high pigmentation, long-lasting wear, and skin-friendly ingredients. While it may be a bit of an investment compared to cheaper alternatives, the quality and performance are hard to beat. I would recommend it to makeup artists, performers, cosplayers, and even Halloween enthusiasts who want something that won't let them down. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in picking up the Mehron CreamBlend Stick, you'll find the link in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions about the product, or let me know if you've tried it already. I'd love to hear your thoughts.